Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond. This is episode 12. Let's dig into the charts, see what happened on the previous trade, and if we're ready for the next random trade. And real quick, before we get started, the why of the Random Trader series. There's two reasons that I created the Random Trader video series, and it was designed, number one, to prove that you can enter a trade at any time, any direction with no stop loss and win, debunking the need for complex trade entry strategies. And number two, to emphasize that trade management is the key to Forex profits. Now let's get on with today's episode. Here we are inside of MT4. The trade terminal is closed, so that means we took profit. Let's look at the account history. Last trade was a buy on GBP CAD, and I had set to take profit, and we took profit at $26.21. Again, remember, I am creating, generating, and taking an absolutely random trade. We have won every trade so far of the previous 7 trades. Let's generate and enter our next absolutely random trade and see how it plays out for us.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
Let's copy my currency pair list, all 28 currency pairs plus US 30 with a buy and a sell attached. Let's go to random.org, paste that list into the randomizer, hit randomize, and our very next trade is going to be AUD CAD sell, odd CAD sell. Here we are. Let's go back to the trade terminal. Let's open up AUD CAD and let's sell. Here it is, AUD CAD. Let's drag it to the chart. Get rid of the terminal. We are in AUD CAD. We said sell. We're going to go ahead and hit sell. We are in a trade. Now let's analyze this a little bit. Let's go up to the 4-hour. We just did a sell, and overall for the last few weeks, the price has been coming down. So let's go up to the day and see what the day has been doing. So the day's coming down. Although today is an up day in terms of candle, let's come down to the 15-minute and let's set our take profit. Now, we did a sell. It looks like there's no real obvious place that it's going to come down to. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, let's go to the recent bottom here. So I'm just going to drag my current sell line down to the bottom. We'll go to the bottom of this candle. Let's see how much that will make us. It is $8.96. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and we'll see what happens. If it goes 100 pips against me, or in this case about $100 drawdown, I will recover it and show you the recovery process. In the last 7 trades, we have not had to do that. And remember, I'll say this again, these are all random trades. Proof positive that you do not need a complex Forex entry strategy. What you need is good Forex trade management skills, and we haven't even had to apply those yet. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login. And you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device.